What if I told you that becoming wealthy isn't about earning the biggest paycheck? Millions of people earn high incomes, but still struggle financially. The difference isn't income, it's the rules they follow. Today, you'll discover the timeless rules of money that can completely change your financial future. Most people spend their entire lives chasing money, believing more income will solve every problem. But wealthy people see money differently. They treat it as a powerful tool that works for them, instead of something they constantly work for. The first and most important rule is simple. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills, buying groceries, or spending on entertainment, automatically save or invest a portion of every paycheck. Building wealth always begins with paying your future self first. Most people do the exact opposite. They pay everyone else first and save whatever is left, usually nothing. Saving isn't what happens after spending. Successful people make saving their first financial priority every single month. Saving money protects your future, but investing grows it. Money sitting in a savings account loses purchasing power over time because of inflation. Investing allows your money to grow through businesses, markets, and the power of compound returns. Many people avoid investing because they fear losing money. The real risk isn't investing wisely, it's never investing at all. Learning the basics, staying patient, and investing consistently often beat trying to predict the perfect time. Money isn't good or bad, it simply reflects how it's used. If you constantly believe money is evil or only for lucky people, you'll unconsciously push financial opportunities away. Develop a healthy, respectful relationship with money instead. Every rupee or dollar you earn should have a purpose. Some money pays bills, some builds your emergency fund, some grows through investments, and some is reserved for enjoyment. Planned money creates freedom. Unplanned money quietly disappears. These first four rules create the foundation of financial success. But earning and saving alone aren't enough. In the next section, we'll explore the habits that separate ordinary earners from people who build lasting wealth over decades. Life is unpredictable. A medical emergency, sudden job loss, or unexpected repair can happen anytime. An emergency fund acts like a financial safety net, helping you face difficult situations without borrowing money or selling your long-term investments. You don't need to save everything overnight. Start by setting aside a small amount every month. Over time, aim to build 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Consistency matters far more than the amount you save initially.